Today, I'm going to sell the 35 shares of AT&T stock that I own. I am going to take a loss of about $200. Before I move forward, I want you to know that I'm not a financial advisor. I share what I learn and what companies I invest in. The endless research I do helps me find low-cost, futuristic stocks that should give a high return. My method is working for me. Why am I going to sell the AT&T stocks? Well, I started investing in the stock market in 2019, and I've been learning a lot, and I learned what works for me. And I don't want to go down the path of buying so many stocks to receive a dividend payout. I happen to feel it would take me way too long to receive the kind of profit that I'm searching for, that I want. I happen to feel that you need thousands of shares in a company in order to receive a high dividend payout each quarter or each month or every other week, however the company works, how they pay their dividends. Another reason is the CPP sold 4.2 million AT&T shares and reduced its investment to 2.8 million shares. Before I move forward, I happen to feel, even though I'm choosing to sell my AT&T stocks, and I just explained why, AT&T is a solid company if you're into the dividend payout. They paid me a dividend even during the pandemic. So I'm going to do that. The CPP is, in this example, the Canada Pension Plan. The giant they slashed their shares in several companies, and one of them is AT&T. And they also did it in GE. And they also slashed their shares in Telstra. And I remember a couple of months ago from the other channels that I watch, people are really into that Telstra. And they did a split to make the shares more affordable to buy, instead of the shares being so costly. I do remember that. So this probably has something to do with why they did their split and lowered the price of their shares. So that's the second reason why I'm selling it too. And the CPP, it's a part of the Canadian Financial Services Company. You want to do more research? I'm learning as I continue to move forward, and I continue to educate myself. But the point is, I'm selling 35 shares today in a few minutes when the stock market opens. Now, what's the next thing? I got that. Here we go. I'm going to take some of that money, I say a couple of hundred, because now I'm going to pocket just over $1,000. But I did take a loss on this, guys. I promote the company I'm going to buy shares in. They completed an acquisition with a blockchain company. The company acquired a 75% stake in the blockchain company. Blockchain's the future. There's no doubt about it. In November 2020, the company announced a 200% revenue increase from October 2019 to October 2020. Also, there was a 13% revenue increase from September 2020 to October 2020. That's a score. And the company I'm speaking about, they own 7 subsidiary companies. The company controls more than half of the subsidiary company stocks. It's all about fintech and blockchain and telecom communication, SMS and all that kind of stuff. It's all futuristic investments. what we're using now. I've been buying the company stock for about 10 cents a share. I found a score. And this is just one of a handful that I found. I do research for hours because I know my future's bright if I take the time. You know, I do the hard time to, I want to become a multimillionaire. I want to become a billionaire, and I happen to feel that I will. If you visit MyIncomeJob.com and you scroll to the sidebar and click on Inside the Stock Market, it will bring you to this page. I do charge a small flat rate fee to gain access to the finds that I found that I'm buying at 10 cents a share, 13 cents a share, 25 cents a share, and so on, underneath $1. And I have a handful of companies I've been investing in, but this is my latest score. And after reading about it all weekend long, I know exactly what I'm going to do today. I'm going to sell those AT&T stocks. I'm going to take a couple of hundred and buy a few thousand of the stock I'm speaking about for 10 cents. Right now, the last I looked, it's 8.5 cents. So those are the kind of finds I find. I do the deep research. And if you do choose to pay the small flat rate fee, you will have access to my future finds because I will update the page that you will have access to when I continue to find. I'm already doing more research, and I found many more companies I want to invest in, but until I put my own money down, I won't add it to the webpage. So I hope you found this video interesting. The stock market is about to open. I'm going to sell my AT&T shares, and it's because I want to buy this futuristic company for about 10 cents a share. Score! Okay, guys, I hope you found it interesting. Good luck. This is a chance of a lifetime. This is a chance of a lifetime for us, you know, everyday people who struggle and work every day for that modest paycheck to get ahead. And it's the right place at the right time. I wish you a lot of luck. Good luck, everyone.